We decided to utilize the data mining tool called KNIME, created by the University of Constance. In general, we have developed two flows, one for Malta and one for the Netherlands. First, we start with the connector to the external database. We can adapt some parameters of this connection, like username or SQL query, that can be used to exclude some records with null values or to process only whole episodes of care. Each episode should start with the first patient encounter. The following nodes enable us to filter the data. The next node extracts association rules using the a priori algorithm. We can adjust some mining parameters like minimum support. It is the number of encounters satisfying the rule. The next meta node is used to exclude the wrong rules. For example, we want only rules that have a diagnosis as a consecutive or the rules with the lift measure greater than 1. The following nodes are used to compute additional quality measures not provided by KNIME. In particular, we can calculate specificity, likelihood ratios, or sensitivity. We provide our own calculation formula in Java code that creates a new column in the output. In another supernode, we estimate quality measure intervals, which could be more useful for some clinicians rather than precise numbers. It is achieved through Java code in the similar way as quality measure calculations. Now we will add a new node to filter rules concluding only with one required diagnosis. In our case, it will be U71, cystitis or urinary infection. It is done in the following way. We select a column for filtering, in our case a consequent column. Next, we provide a matching criterion, U71. Next, we launch the context menu and execute the node. Afterwards, we can see the results. It is a table with outcome columns. Each row is an association rule preserved after filtering. Obviously, we can sort it by any column, by sensitivity, for example, or we can change the precision of numbers displayed. The columns contain both the rules themselves and their quality measures. The results are exported into CSV file, which is imported into ontology clinical evidences. Thank you very much for your attention.